Spring is here and we're going to take you along on the journey of getting ready for Easter. One of my favorite things about spring is the warmer weather and the blooming flowers. And just like flowers that bloom, my goal is for my daughter's hair to bloom as well. I love using the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian collection in their hair. I love to smooth it throughout their hair and section their hair into smaller workable sections, which really help me in styling. For this style, I first separated their hair into 2 sections and then I divided into 4 quadrants. I'm then smoothing in some gel into their hair, making sure to focus on their ends and the length of their hair. And then after I've smoothed that in, I proceeded to part their hair into squares and I added a rubber band and twisted them down to the end. As you can see, their hair is pretty long, but as all healthy natural hair does, it shrinks up quite a bit. It's okay though, they look absolutely adorable with their hair in little twists. So I'm going to continue to part and section their hair until I've got the entire back of their head nice and twisted up. Next, I'm going to part their hair into 2 sections in the front and make 2 ponytails. I divided each ponytail into 3 different sections and rubber banded them, and I just twisted down the ends and connected them together into one big ponytail. Next, I twisted down a little section in the front so that way she could have a bang, and I made sure just to twist it halfway because I'm going to add perm rods at the end. I completed that on the other side and moved on to putting in the perm rods. So what I did is I made sure to focus on the ends of the hair and smoothing the gel in, and then I rolled up each strand of hair. So I'm going to show you the technique really quickly. I just wrap the ends around and make sure to really slick them down. And then I roll upward and twist the hair around the rod. I then secure it into place. Once everything's installed, you can have your little ones sleep in it, or you can sit them underneath a dryer. Either way, you want to make sure that the hair is 100% dry before moving on to separate. So once their hair was completely dry, I proceeded to remove the perm rods. Once I had them all removed, I began to separate the curls, making sure just to twirl them around my fingers to keep the curl intact. And this is the finished look. Now to get them even more spring ready, we had to do our nails. We started off by removing old nail polish with bubblegum scented nail polish remover. Then we proceeded to add a base coat. Next, we applied China Glaze nail polishes in a variety of colors. We picked 5 different shades and painted each nail a different color. These are really cute Skittle nails, perfect for springtime. And this is our completed look. The twins are spring ready and so adorable, and their hair is super cute. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with us, and happy spring.